It's Food Brainwash, boosting your cooking knowledge. We're pepping up the flavours in our soft-baked chocolate chip cookies to give you a taste experience. Stay tuned and watch all 3 videos. Upload pics of your bakes. In my bowl, I'm going to place in my sugar and my margarine. Make sure your margarine is nice and soft. Leave it out from the fridge to soften a while. Then use your wooden spoon to cream together your sugar and your margarine. It'll have a creamy texture, it won't be gritty any longer, and it will be lighter in colour. I'm going to crack in my egg. I'm going to add in my flavour and my colour. 1 teaspoon of flavouring, and about 1 to 2 drops of colour. When you whisk, make sure you use a round motion, not a stirring motion. So now I am going to slowly add my egg to my creamed butter and sugar. Add half. So to add my flour in, I need to use a sieve to sift it. Spatula to scrape the batter off the wooden spoon. Move the batter into the centre of the bowl. Use your tablespoon to scoop out the batter. Push the tablespoon against the edge to level the top. Scoop it out with the teaspoon. Place in the palm of your hand and then roll into a ball shape. Place onto the baking tray at regular intervals. Repeat this until you have used all of the batter. We're now going to press them down onto the baking paper with a fork